Now let us move to the next one, the first one, which is this. This is the voiced counterpart of the one we just handled. The voiced post alveolar fricative. Okay, so what are the spelling patterns of this sound? What are the spelling patterns? The first one we are going to take is S for I-O-N. Remember we took something like this earlier on, such as machine. Now, there are many other words that will not produce the S-I-O-N as sh. In fact, there are fewer producing it than we have for G. So, in the words such as this, what you have is decision, not decision. Okay? Now, we also have confusion. We have occasion. We have television. We have vision. You see, so these are the words we have having S-I-O-N. There are more, of course, you can bring and you test them out. But what you have is not vision, but vision, television, occasion, confusion, and decision. So you want to note that. Now, we also have another spelling, this time with S, but S with other spellings other than the I-O-N. So they are all under S. Take note of that. It is S that is producing this sound. It is S that is producing this, and that's what you need to take note of. Okay? Now, what are those examples? What are those examples? Let's take this now. Usual. In usual, you see it is the S that is producing it, but of course it has to combine with UAL. Okay? Now, we also have measure. Then we have pleasure. Okay? So, we have that spelling now. Any other spelling still? Yes, we have other spellings. Let's take it down. We have G can also produce this. But most times, like the case we had for the voiceless postalveolar fricative, this actually, most of them are French words. With the G produces this sound. So we have something like John, the John of literature, for example, or the Johns of literature. We have prestige, and then we have beige, and some other examples that we have. Okay, so any other spelling? Yes, we have C-H-E in the word mustache, not mustache, mustache. Now, so you want to take note of this because it's a unique spelling. Alright, having said that, we still have it. So let's take an example there. Okay, so that is seizure. Okay, you want to take note of that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if we collapse the S, then we have 4 spelling pattern for this sound. S, G, C, H, E, and then Z. Actually produce this sound. Now, let us take one note. Note this. You want to note this about this sound and the previous one. Let's say we take pressure. The double S here gives you sh. We have pleasure. The S here gives you this. So this is pressure, this is pleasure. Not pressure. No, pressure, pleasure. You want to take note of the differences in these two sounds. That's something you need to note and understand. So at the end of this, we have considered the two post-alveolar fricatives. Now we want to move on to the last fricative that we have.